Hi, Pag-ibig team. Good evening. This is Ron, your reporter for today. So, ngayong araw ho, Friday, January 20, 2017, let us have the update for Pag-ibig Cebu. And then, kaninang umaga ho, nagkaroon kami ng projection that is 12 cured with a total collection of 390,413 pesos. So, let's see ho kung ano po yung nag-materialize kaninang umaga. As of now ho, ang nag-materialize ho na payment is 6 na cured, 5 performing loan, 3 partial payment, and then with a total collection of 354,402 pesos. So, dumako naman ho tayo sa segment ng Cebu which is paniniwala. So, guys, alam niyo ho ba na kung pangit ako sa inyong paningin, ano pa si Baby Lynn? Bye-bye!